Hey folks, what's up? This is 8181 How To. My name is Savio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enjoy your beverage the best possible way. Like most of us, I enjoy my soda pops absolutely cold. Okay? Not to the degree that it's frozen inside, but hey, just cold is cold. But what if I really want to enjoy this beverage for an extended period of time? For that, I have this little canister here, and this, my dear friends, called Frostbuddy. This one is gonna prolong the enjoyment. All I need to do, you see this over here? All I need to do is just unscrew it by turning it anti-clockwise. That gets taken off. Then all I need to do is put this delicious soda pop inside of it. Okay, before I do that, let me show you what this is. Okay, it maintains the temperature of your beverage. Okay, it also comes with another little canister that looks like this. And if I take this one off, I can enjoy, I could even add a bottle inside of it, maybe a soda bottle inside of this, and just stick it in here and tighten this, and there you go. I can add a bottle in it. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna add this one back in, and I'm gonna put my beverage in it, my chilled beverage inside of it. Once it's inside, all I need to do is just tighten it and rather screw it, and there you go. As you can see, it fits perfect. And this is a 12-ounce can. And that, my dear friends, is how you enjoy a soda pop for an extended period of time by maintaining its temperature in this device called Frostbuddy. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, 8181 How To. My name is Savio, and next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.